Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So yeah, major thank you for all of the positive and negative feedback on my last BoxyCharm video. I enjoyed talking to all of you, whether you loved me or hated me, but you know, I just enjoy talking to people. So I'm here to bring you some more real ass opinions on another unboxing, and it is time for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you don't want to know honest opinions, don't watch this video. Okay, my hair's like crazy, but we're just like relaxed today, okay? I have crazy hair. So I'm actually really excited for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I've seen a few spoilers and they're all pretty cool and pretty nifty. So let's just dive right into this pink wonder of the world to me. Pink wonder of the world to me. Now we just gotta get it open. I'm using the ABH New Riviera palette on my eyes today because I saw the color, I saw it was ABH, knew I had to have it. So now we're in like a loungy sweater with froey hair, but we're just going all natural today. We're sitting on a bed. My cat will be up here pretty soon. Oh. All right, we have our pool liner. I don't know, it always looks like a pool liner to me. And on the inside it says, don't be pretty like them. Be pretty like you. Let's just open it up. Hey, hipster. I don't wanna know. So I'm just gonna blindly pull out. First thing, oh, this was actually an add-on. Oh my God, I thought that this was going to be like small. I didn't know this was gonna be full size. So I actually paid $3 extra for this. It was an add-on. And I honestly thought it was going to be way smaller than that. So this is an Oprah Highlighter. It's in the color Star Island. And I have heard nothing but amazing things about Oprah Highlighters. So I was like, $3. Except for a deluxe size sample. Is this supposed to be a sample? Because this is the most deluxe size sample I've ever goddamn seen. And I hear everybody, ooh, this looks so pretty. That's it right there. Like you can kind of see it there, but oh my God. For $3 buckaroonies, the packaging is a little bit cheapy deepy, but I added this into my Ipsy for $3. I thought it was gonna be like tinier. I didn't know it was gonna be like this monster of an Oprah highlighter. Like, look at how pretty that is. That is a dream come true. Me and you're a dream come true. As you can tell, I'm pretty pumped about this because for $3, full size, it was almost a disaster if I dropped that. Don't get much better than that. What am I gonna pull out now? Oh my God, this is something I was just so excited for. I've actually never used a Huda Beauty eyeshadow, and I really want the nude palette. I'm thinking of making a video about things I really want, but I can't justify getting. And I have heard people either love these little palettes or hate them. And you know what? This is actually the color that I wanted. I wanted the Coral Obsessions one. I'm wearing crazy makeup right now, so as you can tell, I don't shy away from scary colors, but this just looks super fun. This yellow, it's coming up a little more bright yellow on camera, but it's like a mustard shade. But there's like a give and pull of the love-hate relationship with these little ones, but I have always wanted to try one. I always look at them at Sephora and they're 27 buckaroonies, so I really didn't want to spend that. We've been over this. I have 4,000 eyeshadow palettes, but I'm pumped. I got the color because I saw the spoiler and I really saw the smoky one. I may or may not have added that on, but I'm super excited to get the coral one. I think I like you a lot. And I'm pretty sure that that's 27 buckaroonies. Yep, value 27 buckaroonies. Like a clairvoyant. Next we have the Purlisse Prevent Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. Now, my crusty ass skin can use any type of moisturizer, let's be honest, and this is like a very decent size for a moisturizer. This says hydration, fine line prevention, and perfect for under makeup for normal, dry, and sensitive skin. Now I am very dry, so That appeals to me, my friends, that appeals to me. Skincare, one skincare item in a box I can deal with. It's when you get like a heavy skincare box that I'm like, turn my nose up to it, because we've been over this. I'm a brat. Smells slightly citrusy, almost mandarin orangey, but it feels good, and any moisturizer I can try, I will try. I ended up in my BoxyCharm being so in love with that Elemis cream, but it is way too expensive for me to restock. It's like 80 bucks. I'm like, just can't justify it. So I hope I love that. I have pretty sensitive skin, so the Purlisse Blue Lotus, that's 45 bucks. So for a $25 box, you've already like blown past twice that with the Purlisse Moisturizer. So far, I'm a happy chica. Next, we have Be Beautiful, Be You. It looks like a little brush set by Farah, or specifically F-A-R-A-H, because it's gapped out if you take a look there. So yeah, I can always use a brush because I have way too many, but I hate cleaning them. And so when I go to stock my kit, they're great to stock. So let's dive in. What do we got here? What do I have in my hand? Sorry, this is so crinkly. Sorry, neighborhood, that I just woke up. All right, let's start with this guy. This is like a little, looks like a little mini blender brush, and it says nothing. I don't know. It doesn't say what kind, but come on. So I like the like silver feel. So this is like a little blender. This looks like a little shadow pack on brush. Then we have, it looks like a big fluffy blender. Then we have an angled, which I like these to put precise eyeshadow under my eyes, and then I like to blend them out with a fluffer. Wait, there's two fluffers. Two fluffer blender brushes. Are these the same? Tell me these don't look exactly the same. And two of basically the same brush. It's a conspiracy. Oh my God, it does say on them what they are for. I'm not that smart. Mini tapered blending. What is the same ones? This says large shading and tapered blending. And this is the Fly Wings. I guess to like do like a wing, but not gonna lie, probably this is a little thick to do a wing with. So the brush set is $50 hairs. Okay. Next we have the Dandelion Shy Beam by Benefit. It says a nude pink radiance highlighter. This looks like to be full size, which is pretty fancy if you ask me. Which, you know, if I was a planner, I'd have looked that I'm already gonna get a highlighter, and maybe you wouldn't, no, let's be honest, I would 100% get another highlighter because it was a $3 Oprah Highlighter, and you think I'm passing that up? So yeah, this is a hefty size, and it looks like it's like a cream, I think this is like their Benetint's like a cream highlighter. Looks like a goddamn nail polish if you ask me. Looks like a concealer. Do I like that? You can't even tell, but it doesn't look very like highlighty. It's like very thick and almost like a concealer texture. Like I'll show it to you on my hand. So that's what it looks like on my hand. And then when you rub it in, it's not like anything glowy. It like blends away to nothing. There's my bright light to make it look like I have decent skin. So yeah, Shy Beam. I guess Shy Beam stands for non-existent on the face, but I have to try it. One thing I just don't enjoy about products are cream products that add a layer of product to your skin but don't actually do anything. So if it's like a highlighter and it doesn't really show, then I'm gonna have to put another highlighter on top of it, and then I just look thick and geeky, so don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. This is supposed to be for cheeks. Now it's saying, I think, brow bones and cheeks. It's saying first use the dandelion shy beam and then put dandelion over it, so. You only sent us one step of the benefit process, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I don't know if I can trust your process, but I've been trying to trust the process for a long time now. Last but not least, in our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, we have the Above and Beyond Mascara for Dramatic Lashes by, I don't really know what this accent does, but Mael. What does that accent do? I've been out of school for far too long. And it is in the color black. Basic black mascara, the way I like it. Looks like this. It kind of looks like the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. I kind of hate opening these, but you gotta try them. Oh, it's hard to get out. Okay, so we have like a thick, fluffy, angled little spoolie brush. These aren't my favorite brushes, but you don't know it till you try it. So I'll try it. Mascara, wait, how much is Shy Beam? Shy Beam's $26. And I'm seeing absolutely nothing, so that might be my biggest money consumption there. And the Above and Beyond mascara is $20. So if my horrible mouth calculations are correct, which they are most likely not, this box is a $178 value for the low price of $25. And I can say I'm pretty pumped about this box. I'm a little disappointed with the Shy Beam, but like I said, I haven't tried it on my face yet, so there's that. The Pure Lease, I can always use a moisturizer, so good job there. I can't believe this was $3 for an add-on. Like, I know this is an add-on, this doesn't come in boxes, but check those Ipsy add-ons. When they send you that email, check. We got this nice brush set, which, you know, you can never have too many brushes as a freelance makeup artist. There's just, you know, not enough brushes in a day for you to go through, especially with wedding season upon us, so busy season's coming. And then I am so super pumped about the Huda Beauty, or Huda, or Huda, however you people say it, but the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. This is like such an exciting thing for me. I think alone the box is worth it just for this. And I may or may not have added one of these onto my other. I meant to add it into my Glam Bag Plus, but I think I got added into my Glam Bag, so you'll see that. Guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing video. I thoroughly enjoyed a lot of the products that I unboxed. I hope you enjoyed this, and you come back and enjoy me for my other honest unboxings. See guys, I can make positive unboxings. I can, when I really like the products. But if it's Ipsy BoxyCharm where I'm spending like $50, I'm gonna be a little bit more critical because I'm spending a little bit more money. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a fantastic evening.